The dress has pockets. So I finished the book. I just finished the book like a minute ago, and I just have to like sit down and absorb because the last two short stories were kind of like continuations or connected to the Traveling Cat, which is another book by the same author. And oh my god, of course I had to tear up again, right? Like, yeah, one book wasn't enough. Make it two. Make it. Going on a short walk just to clear off my head after reading that book. Pretty sure they can hear that, but we ignore that. I actually have a hiking trip tomorrow, and I'm wondering what to wear because I have an event after to go to, so I have to wear something that I can be presentable in public with. I ended up going with this outfit mostly because the dress has pockets. Every single time I press record, it starts moving. Whoa, cute. It's on the next tree. It's so pretty. Okay, goodbye. without money things. Bit of oopsies that we don't talk about that's not there, you know.